Electronic auctions or e-auctions have revolutionized the traditional auction process. So there are two types of auctions, reverse auction and forward auction. Even the buyers can participate in multiple auctions in a single day.
Well, you can find all the latest technology buzz right here on Thought Hive. We're back with another episode. I'm Neerja, and today we are diving straight into something called e-auctioning. I don't know what that means, and you might be wondering too, but that's why we have a technology expert in the e-auctioning space joining us. We have Vaidehi Pawar. Hi, Vaidehi. Very happy to have you, and I'm bidding on you to tell us all about e-auctioning. Thank you for being here.
Thanks, Neerja. Thanks for having me on this show. I'm so glad to have this chat.
Well, to begin with, Vaidehi, it's in the news that online auction, or rather the online auction marketplace is booming. So tell us all about it.
Well, wherever you've got this insight, Neerja, it's correct. So since I'm working closely on e-auction projects, let me throw some light on this. Electronic auctions or e-auctions have revolutionized the traditional auction process. It's no longer restricted to the public sale of art pieces, paintings, or antiques that we see in movies. E-auctions have commercialized and streamlined the sale of commodities, assets, services, and even real estate properties that are sold and bought today. The well-researched report states that in 2022, the global e-auction market stood at $6.5 billion. And by 2027, it is likely to reach $11.5 billion.
Okay, that's a billion with a big bold B. That's huge. But let me also ask you, what are the major drivers or driving factors that are supplementing the e-auction boom?
Okay, well, there are a lot of factors, but let me pick the top ones based on my experience. Advancements in technology, lightning internet speed, and secure payment options are the significant contributors. Okay? Rapid urbanization growth has increased the consumer demand for online auctions. And let's not forget the high net worth millennials who are becoming the significant spenders in online market since they enter their peak earning years. Falling closer to some trends is the growing recognition and acceptance of NFTs. What is NFT? Non-fungible token. It is a unique digital identifier which certify ownership and authenticity. Okay? The rise of NFT is garnering attention and attracting investors to digital assets.
Right. Okay. Some food for thought there. And let me just say, as a millennial, I feel a little bit of responsibility as well. Vaidehi, can I also ask, what are the various types of e-auctions and what role does an auction platform play in businesses?
Good questions here. Let me answer them one by one. So there are two types of auctions, reverse auction and forward auction. Reverse auction is typically used in B2B businesses. Here, the buyer demands for a specific good and service, inviting sellers to compete on price against each other and deliver what is being requested. Ultimately, the winner is a seller who's willing to accept a contract at the lowest price. So you can see that reverse auction makes a lot of sense when there are multiple sellers and price is the critical factor. Okay. Now moving to B2C and C2C market, in this forward auction is most popularly used because there is one seller and multiple buyers. In this, the auction starts with the minimum price that the seller wants for his product. Okay. The price gradually increases as the bidder bids. And finally, winner is a buyer who's willing to pay the highest price. Now, to answer your question on how pivotal is the role of online platform in this is that one, transparency. The platform ensures fair bidding process. All the participants have equal access to information. Okay, they witness the bidding activity in real time. The bids are legitimate and the transactions are settled adequately. Next is the reach. Online platforms overcome geographical barriers, enabling participation of bidders nationwide, even globally. This widens the potential pool of buyers and enhances competition. Right? Even the buyers can participate in multiple auctions in a single day. Third is cost saving. So online platform eliminates physical infrastructure, paperwork, administrative overhead. So it's a cost saving for both buyers and sellers. And finally, the analytical reports. So the online platform provides various reports which helps the buyer make informed decisions based on market trends and competitor activities.
This is really interesting, Vaidehi. And, if we were to simplify it, it's pretty much like an auction, any auction process, right? You choose, you compete, you quote, and then finally go under the hammer. We're literally going at all this information, hammer and tongs. And I think now is a good time to help us understand how NSE-IT helps in e-auction setups, right? Also, if I may add, what should e-auction organizers consider while choosing an e-auction platform, Vaidehi?
I'm glad you sold by my humble insights, and thank you for asking this question and probing a little bit. Okay. NSE-IT has developed e-auction platform for various sectors, and we are servicing our clients for over a decade. Our e-auction solution is cloud hosted, which means high availability, scalability, security, and seamless user experience. The portal is fully automated and feature-rich system. All the information is available in just a click. Okay. The auction engine is extremely robust and time accurate, which shows bidding status real time, even the notifications. And then there is integration with Secure Payment Gateway that offers multiple payment options with all the popular banks. The post-auction process is fully automated and hassle-free. Instant refund of EMD, digitally signed documents helps in quick closure of transaction. And the buyers and sellers can immediately start focusing on the next auction. The portal provides various analytical reports for tracking user behavior, performance metrics, and overall auction dynamics. Our team would be happy to connect with customers who are looking for state-of-the-art dynamic auction platform to support their thriving businesses. We are available or through inquiries on our website, or happy to connect via email.
Great. Okay. Well, Vaidehi, I must say our bid on your expertise has won us all the gift of knowledge today. So thank you for coming on the show and telling us all about e-auction platforms.
Thanks, Neerja. You found this conversation encouraging, and I hope our audiences takes back something valuable too.
Oh, I'm sure they have. Thanks so much for watching to all the viewers, and I'll see you back here for another thought-provoking episode. Bye-bye.